Let's recap this week's training out in Portland. David and Lexi never disappoint. Lots of work on impulse control, lots of work on building confidence, working around other dogs in silly situations. Training doesn't need to look fancy, or you don't need to buy a lot of fancy equipment. Oftentimes, it's just time. It's just spending time doing different things, teaching dogs different things. Oh, that was a little struggle right there. That's okay. We'll keep working on it. Building confidence, teaching them new things, how to do things, focusing on her versus that the skateboard is moving. Oh, and Loki always likes to do anything athletic. Good job. And that's David cheering him on in the background. There is never lack of creativity in our training, and it just makes the days go by with a lot of fun and silliness. Hope this helps. This is kind of what our training days look like. Have a good